If you see my title today is actually from oversold to overbought in the span of just less than 1 week, okay? So what actually happened? Again, as I mentioned many times already, yeah, when it's already at the sky high, for it to actually go up higher, it needs more momentum, okay? It needs more boost itself. The situation is just like when you are already a big giant ships, okay, right, and you are very stable, right, cruising throughout the big sea itself. Any wave come also, you know, you will not able to tumble, or maybe it will not cause even any small effect to you. But the thing is that your movement will be rather slow and steady, okay, slow and steady, right, comparatively to those smaller boats, okay, right, like, you know, the jet ski kind, you know, they can actually very, you know, flexible, turn here and there, but you as a big ship, you can't, okay? So when the valuations, when the share price has already reached up to level like a big ship itself, yeah, it's very hard for you to actually, you know, turn around, okay, right? It's very difficult for you to actually, you know, move another directions in a split of seconds, okay? So the same thing with, you know, the going up, okay? It's just like, you know, you are making a revenue of billions and billions, okay, right? So for you to continue to grow, right, a double digit is very difficult. Okay, but for a smaller company who are making maybe, you know, 5 million, 10 million, for them to grow 20, 30, 40% or even 100% is very easy. In this share market, if you don't learn, if you don't try to understand what is going on, for sure you will always be eaten by the shark, okay? Very important. Understand what you are invested in. Do not listen to anybody, okay? Right?